Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to translate an image in Google Translate step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Translate in your web browser on your computer. Type Google Translate into your search bar, then click the result that says Google Translate from Google. When the page opens, you should see two language boxes at the top and a large empty space below them. Make sure you are doing this on a computer, not on your phone, so the screen matches what you see in this tutorial. Now look near the top of the page for the options that say Text, Websites, and Images. Click on Images. When you click it, the Images button should become highlighted, and the area below will change to show an Image Upload section. If you still see a text box for typing, you may have clicked Text by mistake, so just click Images again to switch back. Next up, set the languages you want to translate from and to. At the top, you will see two language selectors, one on the left and one on the right. Click the left box to choose the language that appears in your image, for example, Spanish or French. Then click the language name in the list. Then click the right box to choose the language you want to translate into, such as English. A helpful detail here, if you are unsure of the original language, you can choose Detect Language on the left, and Google Translate will try to guess it for you. With the languages ready, look in the middle of the page for the button that says Browse Your Computer. Click Browse Your Computer. This opens a file window from your operating system, usually showing your Documents or Downloads folder. If you do not see your image right away, you might need to navigate to the folder where you saved it before. After that, choose the image you want Google Translate to read. In the file window, click once on the picture that contains the text you need translated. Take a moment to double-check you picked the correct image, especially if you have several that look similar. Then click the Open button in the file window. If you accidentally select the wrong image, you can simply repeat this step and upload the correct one again. Once the image is uploaded, you can view the translation on the Google Translate page. You should now see your image displayed, often on the left, with colored highlights around the detected text, and on the right you will see the translated text that Google has extracted. If the text is small or blurry, some words may not be recognized perfectly, so it can help to zoom in your browser to check the result more carefully. The page updates automatically, so you do not need to press any extra buttons to start the translation. Finally, decide what you want to do with this translated text. Either copy it or save it. Below or near the translation area, click Copy Text if you want to put the translated words into another document, email, or note. After you click it, the text is stored in your clipboard, ready to paste using your normal paste command. Or, click Download Translation if you prefer to save a file to your computer with the translated content, which you can open later without visiting Google Translate again. A common mistake is to close the browser tab before copying or downloading, which would mean you need to upload the image again to get the same translation. You have now uploaded an image into Google Translate on your computer and turned the text in that picture into a translation you can copy or download. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.